Choosing luggage can be such a hassle, especially if you have no clue what you want in a suitcase, or more importantly, what you need. You have to choose between color, size, and price, but also whether you want a hard shell or soft shell. And no, we're not talking about your taco order. Hi, I'm Zach from Best Reviews, and we're unpacking the differences and similarities between TravelPro's Platinum Elite hard side and soft side luggage options. When it comes to style, TravelPro's Platinum Elite hard side has an inherently sleek look. Its protected shell is made from 100% polycarbonate, one of the most durable and heaviest materials used for suitcases. It tends to be a little pricier though and requires some strength to lug around. However, the impact resistance will protect against cracks, scratches, and scuffs, keeping your fragile items safe when they go through the baggage handling system. TravelPro's hard side luggage boasts much needed flexibility, which isn't guaranteed with other brands of hard side luggage. Soft side luggage is typically made from polyester or nylon. TravelPro's Platinum Elite soft side is made from a high density, scuff and stain-resistant ballistic nylon, a thicker fabric. While its protected exterior is enforced with DuraGuard coating, it's not waterproof and isn't the best choice if exposed to rain or snow for a long period of time. If that's not a problem for you, the material of a soft side luggage is great for overpackers with its flexibility and exterior pockets. And TravelPro is rare. They offer expandability in both their soft and hard side luggage. Each bag features a zipper component that expands an extra 2 inches, a handy feature for anyone who wants to bring back souvenirs, like me. Take note that if overall size is a concern, TravelPro's hard side luggage is slightly bigger and heavier compared to its soft side luggage. Both suitcases have 4 spinner wheels to make it easier to navigate around the hectic setting of an airport. Other shared traits include a secured locking mechanism, easily accessible built-in USB charging ports, and a limited warranty for damage and repairs. TravelPro's innovative design makes it our best of the best luggage brand. Deciding between its hard side or soft side options comes down to your needs as a traveler. If you want a lightweight, flexible bag with more packing space, then TravelPro's soft side is the best choice. If you're dealing with fragile items such as delicate souvenirs or toiletries and need more peace of mind knowing they're protected in transit, it's worth investing in a more durable option, such as the TravelPro hard side. However, if you're looking for a carry-on, we actually did the research for you and we went over all of our favorite brands in another video. Once again, I'm Zach from Best Reviews, and if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and follow along for more. Happy travels.